Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Tundra, we're going to show you how to check your power steering fluid in the reservoir in the location. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Hood release on this Tundra is located on the driver's side, right at the knee panel. Has a picture of the hood. Pull on the cable. So the safety latch is located to the left of the symbol. You'll feel the lever right there. You push up on it. Lift your hood up. Power steering fluid reservoir is located right here in front of the passenger area. It says power steering fluid. The markings on the side, it shows you max and min and hot. So if you ever looked at this reservoir when the vehicle's running, the fluid actually is swirling around in there. And the cap is a lock on it, and usually it will have a dipstick in there for you. So I clean that. That just tells you there's no actual markings, but it will tell you the level if you can't see the side. So to check it, you line the ears up, push down, and then you can pull it back up and see the fluid level. This is low. It's clearly, we can see it on the side, it's low. It's at minimum, it's below minimum actually. So you would add power steering fluid to this. That would be clearly marked power steering fluid, or check your manual. Some cars say Dextron, which it says right here on the side, so you can put ATF, automatic training fluid, in there, and then you should be ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.